Hey guys, so today I'm here to review the TOGO system that I installed about 3 weeks ago and to talk about now becoming an affiliate for TOGO, which is a WineGuard product. So I will say in my initial review here, I've had it for, like I say, just over 3 weeks, closer to a month, and the system has worked pretty much flawlessly. I initially installed it at a state park that was in a pretty reasonable area that, you know, you're going to get pretty good Wi-Fi from about anything. So bringing it down here to Panther Creek, I'm in more of a, I guess you could say, rural back area where there's not as good of Wi-Fi and so forth, and it is working perfect. So I am very happy with it. I've been able to connect multiple devices to it, streaming TV, working off of it, uploading videos off of it. I've really put it through the test here and it has done great. So you know, I actually spoke to my wife about it. We were both very excited that, you know, this has probably been one of the better things that I've installed that we've really got a lot of payoff quickly from. So, you know, I wanted to say anybody who's interested in that, you know, I would definitely say go for it and get it. You can get it for, basically the system costs you around anywhere between $350 and $400 depending on what deal you catch it on. And then at that point you can go through and you buy the system through WineGuard. So it is a WineGuard system and they are partnered with AT&T for the actual service on it, and you are locked to AT&T. But you can purchase their yearly plan, which is $360 for the whole year, and that, you know, gets you unlimited, untethered internet, you know, Wi-Fi, or, well, it's more of kind of, you know, for me, kind of like a MiFi hotspot out of it. But so far, like I say, it has worked great. The download speed is really good. The upload speed is really good. Most of the time I'm getting around, you know, anywhere between 20 and 50 megs down and 10 and 20 megs up, which is extremely good. And it also has a built-in Wi-Fi extender too, so if you're ever in a place where they have Wi-Fi, then you can always connect to the Wi-Fi as well if that gets you a better signal or more speed. So far I have just pretty much relied on the AT&T hotspot part of it because that has more than surpassed for what we need. So, but I did want to put that out there and, you know, kind of mention the price, say that I think this is a great deal, especially if you're full-time in your RV. I mean, this is spectacular. But also if you're part-time, you can buy the product and you can turn it on and off. You can do monthly plans as needed. But I do think the better deal is the year-long plan, where you can just use whatever you want to, whenever you want to, and not have to worry about it. So with all that said, I had previously done an install video, and I will link that down below, so you will be able to quickly find that. And the install, if you know, for me it took about an hour and a half. I can't remember exactly. The video is about 15 or 20 minutes, but I'm also not an electrician. My dad had to help me with all that stuff, so very thankful for that. But if you understand electricity, you could probably do this install in less than probably an hour for sure. And really the only holes you have to put in your roof are for the 3 screw holes just to hold the system down. And, you know, I've got on there kind of how to do that, so you'll see that. But then you just run it through the refrigerator vent, which I show on there as well, to avoid having to put any other holes in the roof of your RV. Obviously you don't want to put anything you don't have to. But with all that said, TOGO has reached out to me about becoming an affiliate, and I mentioned that on a previous video. But now that I've had time to fully review the product, and I'm willing to definitely stand behind it at this point, you know, I wanted to put this back out here, you know, that I am now a TOGO affiliate. So I will add that link below as well. And essentially what that gets me is for every system that is sold using my link, I get a $20 kickback. Which, you know, I'm appreciative of that. It helps out with the channel. It helps out, you know, buy better equipment and so forth for the channel. So, you know, that's kind of what all this is going back into. But I did want to, you know, ask everybody, if you do decide to use the system, please use my link below. If you have any questions about the system, you know, please comment below. I will answer back most of the time within a day. Or if you have any questions on the install, comment on that video and I will do my best to get you an answer on that as well. So, but I think if you buy the system, you'll be very happy with it. Like I say, I wanted to get it out here and test it for about a month, and definitely in this more dense area where the Wi-Fi is more, I guess, not as good, just to make sure that it's going to work well. But like I say, so far it has worked like a champ, and I have really put some strain on it to make sure that it was going to run good. So with all that said, I just wanted to invite everybody to use the link below, check out the install video below, and if you like the channel, please subscribe if you have not already. And, you know, also give the video a thumbs up if you like that. That helps it get seen. And I appreciate everybody. I appreciate your time this evening, and I hope everybody has a good week, and we will probably see you here in about another few days with another video. Thank you all very much, and you have a great evening. Bye-bye.